For the last 30 days, I ran a personal experiment. I picked 10 AI tools that are commonly promoted as ways to make money, and I actually used each one for income generating work. I tracked every dollar earned, every hour spent, and every result, good and bad. No affiliate deals influence this, no sponsored content, just 30 days of real numbers. Here's what I found. Before I get into the results, let me give you the benchmark. AI assisted freelancers on Upwork earned 44% more than the platform average in 2025, and AI automation specialists specifically were charging $75 to $200 per hour. The gig economy platform market hit $8.39 billion in 2025, up from $7.33 billion the year before. There is clearly real money in this space. The question is, which tools actually help you access it? Tool number one was ChatGPT Plus. I used it primarily for freelance writing and client email drafting. In 30 days of part time use, this tool contributed to approximately $680 worth of billable work. Time spent roughly 12 hours. ROI is strong if you are doing writing adjacent work. Tool number two was Claude Pro. I use this for longer form analysis and research reports. Similar ROI to ChatGPT, but meaningfully better at maintaining context in long documents. Also contributed to about $600 in billable work over the period. If you're doing report writing or research deliverables, Claude's output quality is arguably better for that use case. Tool number three was Make.com for automation. I built 3 automation workflows for small business clients over the 30 days. Total charged $1,200. Total hours about 14. This was the highest dollar per hour tool in the experiment, roughly $85 per hour effective rate. Tool number 4 was Descript for video editing. I used this to offer video editing services on Fiverr. It took me 2 days to get proficient, and I completed 4 projects totaling $480. Not the highest earnings, but the work was genuinely enjoyable, and the tool has a steep improvement curve, meaning the better I got at it, the faster the work went. Tool number 5 was Canva AI. I used this for social media graphic packages. Sold 3 packages at $150 each. The AI features sped up production meaningfully, but the market is saturated and pricing pressure is real. Tool number 6 was Jasper for content marketing. Use this to offer blog post packages. Completed 5 posts for 2 clients totaling $750. Jasper is good, but honestly, Claude and ChatGPT produced comparable quality for less. Tool number 7 was Pictory for video content. Created 6 short form videos from blog post for 1 client. Total earned $360. Fast to produce, but the client needed significant revision rounds because AI video quality varies. Tool number 8 was Perplexity Pro for research reports. Sold 2 market research reports to small businesses at $200 each. Total $400. Fast to produce and high perceived value from clients. This is an underrated service. Tool number 9 was Midjourney for custom illustrations. Created brand illustration packages for 3 clients at $200 each. Total $600. High value perception from clients, but quality consistency takes practice. Tool number 10 was Otter AI for meeting summaries.
Offered this as a freelance executive assistant add-on service. 2 ongoing clients at $150 per month each. Total for the period $300. Low effort, recurring revenue, underrated. The total across 30 days and roughly 60 hours of work was approximately $6,170 in earned income. That's a meaningful side income rate, and that was spread across 10 tools without being deeply specialized in any one. The conclusion is straightforward. If I had spent all 60 hours just on Mac automation, my effective hourly rate would have been higher. The lesson from this experiment isn't use 10 tools, it's pick one tool where the income per hour ratio is highest for your skills and go deep. For most people watching this, that tool is either Make.com for automation or ChatGPT and Claude for writing and research.
Start there, get good, raise your rates. If you want me to do a deep dive experiment on any single one of these tools, let me know in the comments which one. The most requested one becomes next month's 30-day experiment. If you found value in today's video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. It helps the channel grow and it ensures you stay ahead of the curve as AI continues to reshape careers, businesses, and the way we make money. And I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which AI tool you're going to start using first. I read every comment, and many of our future videos are inspired directly by this community. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending a few minutes of your day with Wealth AI. And remember, the biggest winners in the AI revolution won't be the people who simply use the tools. They'll be the people who learn how to create value with them. Keep learning, keep building, keep growing. I'll see you in the next one.